Welcome to my daily coding tutor YouTube channel. In today's topic, we'll be discussing on the Kotlin scope functions. In Kotlin, scope functions are a set of functions that allows you to execute a block of code in the context of an object. They help in structuring code in a more readable and concise manner. The most commonly used scope functions are the let, run, with, apply, and also. Kotlin provides 5 scope functions, which are the let, run, with, apply, and also, which help in structuring code in a more readable way by limiting variable scope and improving code consistency. Each of these functions has a different use case, mainly based on whether they return the object itself or a result, whether they use this or it as the contents reference. Let's look at the first one, which is the let. Let uses it as the implicit name of the object. It returns the result of the lambda expression. It's commonly used for non-checks and method chaining. Let's look at the example. We have val name column string question mark equal to Kotlin name question mark dot let open braces print lin open bracket the length of the string interpolation. It is string interpolation open braces it dot length close braces close bracket close braces. Best use case: the let is used when working with nullable values to execute code only if the object is for non-none. The second one is the run. Run uses this as an implicit reference. Runs returns the result of the lambda. It's used for grouping multiple operations of an object. The example here, we have val person equal to person open bracket Alice comma 25 close bracket val age next year equals to person dot run open braces print lin open bracket current age column string interpolation age close bracket age plus 1 close braces print lin open bracket age next year column string interpolation age next year close bracket. Best use case: when you need to perform multiple operations on an object and return a result. It is best used when you need to perform multiple operations on an object and return a result. The next one here is the with, which is the third function. The with uses this as an implicit reference. It returns the result of the lambda. It is not an extension function, so it takes the object as an argument. Let's look at the example here. We have val person equal to person open bracket bob comma 30 close bracket val greeting equals to with open bracket person close bracket open braces hello comma my name is string interpolation name and I am string interpolation age years old full stop close braces print lin open bracket greetings close bracket. Best use case: the with is best used when you want to call multiple properties or method of an object in a readable way. The next one we are looking into is the apply. Apply uses this as the implicit reference. It returns the object itself and is commonly used for an object initialization. It is commonly used for what? To configure an object. Now let's look at example. We have val person equals to person open bracket Charlie comma 35 close bracket dot apply open braces age plus equal to 1 print lin open bracket update age updated age string interpolation age close brackets close braces. Best use case: It is best used when setting up or configuring an object. It is best used when setting up or configuring an object. The next one we are looking into is the also. The fifth one is the also. Also uses it as the explicit name of the object. Also uses it as the implicit name of the object. It returns the object itself. It is typically used for side effects like logging or debugging. Example, here we have val person equals to person, open bracket, David, comma, 40, close bracket, dot, also, open braces, println, open bracket, creating person, column, string interpolation, open braces, it dot name, close braces, close bracket, close braces. Best use case. It is best used when you want to perform additional operation like logging without modifying the object. It is best used when you want to perform additional operations like logging without modifying the object. Now let's do a quick comparison between them. Between the 5 functions, let's do a quick comparison. We have the functions, we have the object references where it is returned, and they are the best use case. We have let, run, wait, apply, and also for the functions. Now we are going to look at their object references, their returns, and the best use case. The let, the object reference here is the it is best used in what? In it. The returns is a lambda result. Best use case for non-checks and transformation. The runs has a what? An object reference of this. Then the returns lambda result. Best use case. It is best used in operation that return a value. We have the wait. The best object reference here is this. It returns lambda results. Best use case. It is best used in grouping operations, not an extension function. The next one is the apply. The object reference here is this. They returns the object itself. Best use case. It is best used in object configuration and initialization. The fifth one, which is the also. The object reference here is it. It returns the object itself. The best use case here is the side effects, which is the logging or debugging. Now let's look at when to use each one. When to use what? When to use each one of the function. Use let for non-safe calls and transformation. Use run when you want to operate an object and return a result. Use wait when you want to call multiple properties or methods. Use apply when you need to initialize or configure an object. Use also for logging, debugging, or additional action. So this is where we are going to stop for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.